That's all of opening weekend. Why did you say it so gay? Hey, welcome back.
It's actually organized.
Second run.
Hey, are we live?
First day, Sundance opening day. They've got, hopefully you can hear me, one chairlift. And it's just basically they're like mid-mountain stuff. Not a ton of snow as you can see. Wasatch backcountry
Here we are, Sundance in Provo, Utah. We're skiing subpar, so here goes that.
Feeling down, and nobody could see that I was with the crowd, but now I'm on my grind. You're wasting all my time, future's looking bright, cause I ain't on the side.
Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons, future's bright. Don't let it slip away now. Don't let it slip away now.
Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons, future's bright. Don't let it slip away now. Don't let it slip away now. Count your blessings every night. You learn these lessons. Don't let it slip away now. It's easy when you know how. Keeping it fresh.
Hey! Did you just redo that, Kobe?
It was really fun.
How was this evening? Snow was better than expected, and we got a bunch of fun turns, hanging out. It was a good time.
We went down and up and down.
It was dope. It was way dope. Like, subscribe,
Comment.
and maybe share it with your neighbor and your grandma, maybe your aunt and uncle too, and try to make us famous.